Good morning. I have no idea where the day is going to take me. I really need to get that oil changed. I think I've been talking about it for a really long time. And yeah, I don't know, again, what I'm doing. I just want to check in and do like a baby intro in the event that it goes kind of funny. Yeah, I'm not even going to say anything more than oil change because that is the one thing that I need. So we'll see. All sorts of crazy. Anywho, got an oil change. I did, oh Jesus, it's just getting worse. Got an oil change. Went to Rooms to Go for like 2 seconds. Now I'm at Wendy's to try this Krabby Patty meal. Hi, can I please try the Krabby Patty meal?
Alright, well that's single double triple.
So here's to the journey of discovery and the transformative power of plants. Thank you so much for coming out tonight and sharing space with us here at Plant.
Now it's time to head to the movies with our cinematic crusader. Here with another titanium take, here's our movie maven Kai.
Hey everybody, it is I, your movie maven Kai, and we are now in October. Guys, can you believe it? We have October, November, December, and that's it. 2025 will be upon us. So I think that it's really a good time to start embracing this holiday season. We are right smack into spooky season, and that means candy. That means pumpkin spice. That means all the deliciousness that comes along with that, but we also have to be really careful. We have to, mind ourselves and our eating and all of that. No, you don't. Be happy. Be happy, guys. I was looking at all of my Halloween costumes and all the things that I've been in the past, and some of them are a little snug these days. And so I'm gonna be coming up with something new and something a little bit more original. I'm, you know, known for kind of being, you know, characters from movies or, you know, musical acts or, you know, stuff like that. And I think I'm gonna come up with something original this year. Repurposing some of the things I have. As far as I can tell, I really only need to buy one thing. And oh no, I have to buy a new cape. Like the trials and tribulations. But one of my, you know, favorite things to do around spooky season is to watch, you know, spooky movies. And I love horror movies, so I watch those year round. The ones that I like to watch are the movies that kind of have that autumnal feel or that magical sense. And what better way to really kick off the magic than with practical magic. Guys, if you've not seen this movie, you're missing out. And I can only imagine if you've not seen this movie that you are not one of, you know, our elder millennial brethren, because this movie was huge. It came out in the early 2000s. It's Sandra Bullock, Nicole Kidman at like the height of, you know, both of their careers. Along with Stockard Channing and Diane Wiest. And so you've got two sisters, Sandra and Nicole, who are raised with their magical witchy aunts that, you know, kind of teach them the craft, teach them the ways. They're orphans sent to live with them, grow up, and, you know, Sandra Bullock is the mom, the caretaker, the, you know, I'm gonna, you know, be the townie who, you know, runs a nursery and a witchy shop and, you know, all of that. And Nicole Kidman is the one who takes off and explores and, you know, enjoys the world for everything that it has until she gets in trouble with a guy. And then she comes back to her sister and her aunts, and they decide that they are going to basically try to banish this person from their life. Couple things go wrong, and you know, when she comes back, they have to hide a body. Like, who hasn't had that situation come up with their sister? Hilarity ensues, horror ensues, and you know, here comes the sheriff, the ranger, to come and investigate. Except he ends up falling in love with Sandra Bullock. But we don't know if it's part of a curse or a spell or if it's real, and there's a lot of things, you know, a lot of questions. And it's a romantic comedy, it's a crime mystery, it's a fantasy, it's, you know, a part Hallmark original, you know, kind of thing. And it's I really feel like it's a quintessential movie that you have to watch during this time of year. It's absolutely beautiful. And I love like the sense of family, not only like blood family, but like chosen family that really comes out of this movie. I love the feeling of, you know, support, understanding that people make mistakes and you try to help them through it. You make your own mistakes trying to do that, you know, and really kind of having that idea that, you know, no matter what, if you have the right people with you, you're going to get through things. And really that's kind of, you know, the heart of this story. It's just surrounded by a lot of fantastical storytelling. And like I said, it's one of my favorites. There's a ton of memes, you know, you'll see those around this time of year with the midnight margaritas and the, you know, the dying vines and the frogs and all of this. And like I said, if you haven't seen it and you want to understand all of that, please go watch Practical Magic. I guarantee it's streaming on at least 47 different services, because it really is, you know, like a quintessential seasonal watch. So yeah, guys, like we're getting there and we're making it. And I know a lot of us are struggling right now. So really it's a good time to watch that and kind of take stock of the people that are in your life, that maybe they're blood family, maybe they're chosen family, but they're there no matter what. So reach out, make sure they know that, you know, you love them, that you appreciate them, and make sure that, you know, you search inside and that, you know, you're doing the same for them that they do for you, because it's really important to solidify those bonds and solidify, you know, those relationships, especially coming into the holidays, which can be such a rough time for all of us. So make sure that you're being there, make sure that you know the people who are there for you, and drink your water, take your meds, enjoy a movie together, and we'll see you next week.
So to reiterate what Kai said, in these seasons, it's all about finding your coven or your tribe. Whether it's the people you're working with now or those you've worked with before, your blood family or your chosen family, lean on those who matter. Let them surround you with the warmth and the love they want to give you because they love you for exactly who you are. I know the holidays are fast approaching and it's easy to lose sight of what really matters, but take time for yourself, eat a cozy meal, and chill out with people that love you. Thank you so much from the bottom of these cozy hearts for stopping by and seeing what we're up to this week, and we can't wait to see you in the next one.